Hello and welcome to evacU website, a crowdsourcing application for evacuation from disaster area. Let's register to the system and see what's in place for us. This is the home page. On the left side, we can see our profile and our reports, which currently are empty. In the middle, we can see the map and tabs for showing reports, evacuation events, and the users. Let's add a report on the map. Let's add another report in a different area, like Cyprus. You can see they have been added immediately to my reports and to the reports stack. Let's look at the Users tab. Here we can see all the users registered to the system divided by pages. We can see their profile picture. This is the default one if you don't insert one. We can see their real names and to which evacuation event they have been registered to. Currently, Super Mario is not registered to an evacuation event. Let's log in as administrators. We see the homepage looks the same as regular users, however, now we can add evacuation events on the map. The red line represents the closest evacuation event to our current position. Let's add another event. We notice that there is a closer evacuation event at the moment. We can also add reports normally, like any other user. We can also insert a photo for a report. We can toggle off different kind of markers. And we can show all of them together. Let's see the capabilities of the administrator. We can delete any user except of the admin. And we can manage the users registered to an evacuation events. We can add any user we want. We notice that the evacuations details now appear in my profile. It will also update immediately in the Users tab. You can see we are now registered to an evacuation event. And on the map, we see that the registration count is now up to 1. We can also remove any user from an evacuation event. We can also delete an entire evacuation event, which will, in effect, will update the My Profile and the Users tab. Let's go back and see how it looks like from a normal user's point of view. We can click on any evacuation event and register to it. We see it has updated my profile, as it should be. It will also appear in the Show Evacuations. Now the registration count is up to 1, where we can also cancel our registration. As well as join again. Now that we have some data in the database, let's look at the search features we implemented. We can search by title and content, by the username who posted a report, by area, and by severity. Last but not least, we can delete our own profile, and as a result, all our reports will be deleted as well. Let's look at the advanced feature, the location-based search. This web service takes longitude, latitude, and distance values and returns all the evacuations and reports within the distance from the specified point. If no events match the requirement, we return an empty JSON object. Now we can see we have one evacuation event and one report. Now we see we have 2 evacuation events and 0 reports, which match what we can see on the map. These 2 were for the first search, and these 2 came out for the second search. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed this little presentation.